What's up, guys? We back with another one. Hope you guys had a good Christmas. Happy New Year's. Sorry I haven't posted just because of the holidays. I've been on out of town here and there for Christmas, but we're back and we're gonna hit it hard. 2022, we're gonna hit it even harder than 21. 21 was a good success. It was a real big success for Rob's Customs. We're gonna do it even bigger. We're gonna go harder, get some more builds in, more customers from out of town. They don't stop, they keep coming. I still have a list of people still waiting from 21, but their time is coming soon. I got a lot more videos coming. I got more builds that I'm working on. I got the homie Jesus's from Roswell, his truck I'm bagging. I'll be getting some videos of that, just with holidays, you know, shit that's been going around the world, all that. It's been a little tough, and since it's his winter, I don't get as much daylight on the weekends when I do work. So it's just a little slow, and then like I said, it's a one-man team. Sometimes I have help, sometimes I have my brother helping me out, but a lot of times it's just me, so just be patient, guys. Your number will come up next, and then we'll make a video. Today we got a truck all the way from Oklahoma. We're gonna be doing, it's a crew cab Silverado. We're gonna be doing a Lincoln panoramic install with some blue suede, which is gonna look badass. This customer already has everything blue. His interior is all blue, so we're gonna do a blue headliner, which is right here. We're gonna be doing this blue suede headliner. It's gonna go good with his seats and his interior. It's gonna finish it off because he does have his seats done, his consoles done, side pillars done. So with the headliner being that factory gray, Silverado gray, this is gonna just make it pop and make it his interior full and complete. So let's check out the truck. Crew cab Silverado. You can see his interior is already done up. His headliner, which once I wrap it and we have that panoramic in there, it's gonna really tie in the whole interior. It's gonna make it look complete. He does have the pillars wrapped, back pillars wrapped, so you can see all he needs is that panoramic Rob's Custom touch and some blue suede. It's gonna make it look badass. Another install here at Rob's Customs. I do have the homie Jesus's truck that I've been bagging. You can see here we had some issues with his two-piece drive shaft of it going into the transmission. I couldn't get it in there at all. They say sometimes you have to bang it with the sledge to get it forced in. I'm not about that. He could probably take it somewhere to get it done and then bring it back, but we'll see on that, guys. Stay tuned for this. I do have the bottom links already done. Do got some rust there, gotta clean that off. Gonna put some side links here, box the side of the truck, and then put the links on, and then I'll end up moving this bar back. I'll end up moving this bar down because the bags are gonna go right here and right here. So stay tuned for this, guys. This is the one I've done a tighten window and double sunroofs. Like I said, guys, a lot of more content's coming to Rob's Customs. Did have a little bit of delay just because of holidays. I was out with the family, so stay tuned for some video on this truck. We're gonna keep sticking to our normal appointments coming up, the people that have been waiting. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Crew cab Silverado. I think it's got some 24s, 26s on there. 26s. Badass, clean. It's a badass truck. Alright guys, so we're gonna get to it. We're gonna take out the headliner. I did take out the subs in the back. I'm gonna take out this passenger seat. This headliner is more of a fiberglass versus the newer ones where you can bend easier. So I'm gonna need to take that seat out and take it out so I can get my measurements on top. Start the usual on the panoramic bracket, and then we'll start cutting her up. Alright guys, we got the hole cut out. We got the bracket installed. We're going to go ahead and start tack welding it all the way around until we get a nice good 1/4 inch gap in between each weld, all the way around the whole thing, starting on different directions. Like I said, you don't warp this metal, because this thing will warp quick. So you just want to have a rag, wet rag, not to where it's dripping but pretty wet. As you're tacking it, you want to put the rag on it, move over a little bit here and there throughout the whole thing, so you get a nice and even flush install. And you can go ahead and tack weld it, grind it down to it's smooth, and then start the fiberglass work. Alright guys, panoramic has been installed. Check it out. Badass. I think these ones fit it real good to these crew cabs. Sick. Now I did strip the whole interior, made it a lot easier to take out that headliner. That headliner is one of the worst headliners I have to deal with on these crew cabs, just because they're made out of fiberglass. You can't bend them easy. So I just went ahead and removed everything. It was pretty easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the center console, the 2 seats, getting them powered up back in, and hooking the switches back up, getting that all good in the center. The center did have a power and ground. I had to cut and make connectors, quick connectors to it, so I can just connect them right back. If you ever needs to take it back out, all you have to do is unhook it instead of cutting it how I did. So it's a quick connect here in the center. I never took this out. I just covered it with a welding blanket when I did do my work on top. Check it out. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead. Sun's going down. I'm gonna go try and see if I can get all this interior back on. And then all I have left is to put the drain tubes, wire it up, and then install the headliner and redo the headliner with the blue suede. I do have 2 days with this truck, so I'm gonna try to get as much as I can. So tomorrow I have to just work on it maybe half a day, and it'll be ready to pick up. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, we got the headliner wrapped, blue suede. Came out badass. Like I said, I always cut the center out once it's inside and everything has been installed, and then I'll cut it out. Alright guys, let's install it. Here's what it's looking like. We got the drain plugs, all 4 on that side. There it is there. I'll go ahead and install it. Start wrapping it up. Alright guys, install's done. Came out badass. This blue suede with the blue interior, it just topped it off, makes it look real clean. Man, I love it. It came out real sick. Let's check it out.
Perfect.
Alright guys, another one done. Oklahoma. Loved it. Another one at Rob's Customs. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the Silverado crew cab. That thing came out badass. Customer loved it. It came out nice. That blue with that interior blue, everything just, that's all it needed was that headliner. With the panoramic, made it even way better. But even if he just had no sunroof or anything on there, and he had just blue suede, it would look good. But that panoramic made it look more luxury on the inside, just like with the new trucks that are coming out of the dealer. They're coming out with panoramics. But that's it. Another one done. Oklahoma. Shouts out to you, bro. Appreciate the wait. I know there was a little bit of a wait time for yours, but I know you wanted the sunshade. But just appreciate it. Appreciate your business. Another one done. Oklahoma, Albuquerque. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.